The Shahpar-3 is a substantial step forward over its predecessor, the Shahpar-2 Block 2, also developed by NESCOM. Weighing over 600 kilograms more than the Shahpar-2, the Shahpar-3 offers more than double the weapon's payload capacity and twice as much endurance. Using this additional capacity, the Shahpar-3 can undertake a greater variety of roles compared to the Shahpar-2, such as maritime missions and standoff-range weapon SOW deployment, among others. Shahpar-3 is a Group 4 plus drone able to carry weapons, meaning it weighs more than 1,320 pounds. It has 6 hardpoints for up to 530 kilograms, 1,168 pounds, of disposable stores, a 1,650 kilogram maximum takeoff weight, the option for an internal payload, indigenously developed avionics, anti-icing dicing system, a 1553 architecture dual-redundant flight control computer, and multiple sensor options including electro-optical/infrared, synthetic aperture radar, communications intelligence, and signals intelligence. Engine configurations of 140 horsepower and 170 horsepower are available, both with a 300-kilometer line of sight and 3,000-kilometer beyond line of sight range. However, the 140 horsepower option has a 30,000-foot ceiling when rigged for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, and a 24-hour endurance, and a 28,000-foot ceiling and 17-hour endurance when armed. The figures for the 170 horsepower variant are 41,000 feet and 40 hours, and 35,000 feet and 35 hours, respectively. During the 2024 International Defense Exhibition and Seminar, Ideas 2024, GIDS showcased a variety of standoff range weapons, SOW, alongside the Shahpar-3, such as the Rasub 250 Air-Launched Cruise Missile, ALCM, and the Kazwa Industries AZB-81LR Smart Diameter Bomb, SDB. The ability to carry SOWs like ALCMs and SDBs enables the Shahpar-3 to pose a credible threat against high-value targets, HVT, in conventional conflict scenarios. While a slow-moving aircraft, the Shahpar-3 could launch the Rasub 250 ALCM up to 350 kilometers away from the target, i.e., a safe distance from enemy anti-air warfare AAW threats. Thus, the Shahpar-3, alongside the Pakistan Air Force's PF, Bayraktar Akinji High Altitude Long Endurance HALE UAV, could form the foundation of future unmanned combat aerial vehicle UCAV doctrines by fielding the initial use of SOWs from drone platforms. At Ideas 2024, GIDS also showcased several sensor solutions for use from the Shahpar-3. In addition to the Zumar-2 EO/IR turret, GIDS also revealed the development of a synthetic aperture radar, SAR, as well as an airborne version of the Ribat ESM suite, the latter offering ELINT and COMINT capabilities. These systems would enable the Shahpar-3 to play a larger role as an ISTAR asset. Pakistan, for example, could use the Shahpar-3's longer endurance, 24 to 40 hours, to set up a pervasive airborne ELINT presence so as to monitor for and record radio frequency signals. This would greatly free up crewed platforms from the role and potentially allow Pakistan to extend its ELINT coverage by a significant margin. GIDS also revealed an ultra-lightweight anti-submarine warfare ASW torpedo called the EGRAC at Ideas 2024. One of the value propositions of the EGRAC is that it can be integrated onto drones, giving them an ASW capability. To help build the Shahpar-3's ASW capability, Pakistan is also developing a dual active and passive sonobuoy. Global Industrial and Defense Solutions, GIDS, revealed the Rasub 250 and AZB-81LR air-launched cruise missiles, ALCM, for use from the NESCOM Shahpar-3 medium-altitude long-endurance MALE drone. Alongside the Rasub 250 ALCM, which is also capable of striking ships, and homegrown SAR, the Shahpar-3 can also be positioned as a maritime solution. The engines are foreign, but GIDS did not disclose the origin. Shahpar-3 will be available for export next year after in-house trials, the organization said. Overall, GIDS is steering the Shahpar-3 as an alternative to other 1,500 to 2,000 kilogram male UAVs, such as the Chinese Wing Lung 2, Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, Anka S, and the US MQ-1C. The stated specifications are broadly comparable, but as the Shahpar-3 has yet to be introduced into service, actual performance parameters are as of yet to be determined.